You love a crispy chicken sandwich as much as I do. This crispy chicken sandwich is easy to make, only has 2 main parts and an awesome finishing sauce. So first we're gonna mix up the coleslaw, just a really simple coleslaw with some mayo. And you're gonna add about a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. You could also use apple cider vinegar or white wine vinegar. And about a tablespoon of oil. And this is gonna be delicious topping for our chicken. And some fresh ground pepper. And a nice generous pinch of salt. Give that a good mix. All right, and then we'll just set them to the side. Now let's get our flour and egg mixtures ready for battering our chicken. Some flour in there, that's probably about a half cup. Get our egg. Give that a little scramble. I added just a little bit of water, about half tablespoon to the egg mixture, and I'm gonna put in a half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ancho chili powder, and then I'm gonna add pretty much the same to the flour. I'm gonna add about a full teaspoon of ancho chili powder, teaspoon garlic powder, and a teaspoon of Tony's Creole seasoning. Then we're gonna mix up the egg and seasoning. All right, and mix up our flour and the seasoning. Now we're gonna take 1 large chicken breast, which chicken breasts are always large these days. Okay, so we're gonna cut this in half. It helps it cook better, and you get 2 chicken breasts for the price of 1. There we go. So then we're gonna take our chicken breast into the flour. Give it a little press. A little press on this side. Shake off any excess into the egg. A little zhuzh. A little zhuzh over here. And back to the flour. Best to try to use one hand because then you have another hand free. And over onto a plate. To make our delicious finishing sauce, we're going to put about a tablespoon of chili garlic paste. You can just get this in any regular grocery store. Equal amount of honey. Oh, sweet honey. An equal amount of oil. I'm using some avocado oil. You just want to use a neutral oil. And give it a whisk. Oh, that looks good. Let's give it a quick taste. Nice and sweet and a little spicy. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt just to kind of kick up those flavors like salt does. Okay, and now you just want to fry these on medium heat, about 3 minutes each side, and add a little bit more oil if you need. Oh, that's looking good. Straight out of the fry, you always want to hit it with a little salt. So then you're gonna take your hot chicken out of the fryer and into your chili honey garlic sauce. And you're gonna give it a turn. Oh goodness. And then right onto your bottom piece of bread. We're gonna give a bit of that coleslaw. And then because I can't have a crispy chicken sandwich without a pickle,